Miss Monopoly, how to play. The rules are the same as regular Monopoly except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. During setup, give each woman $1,900 as follows. 5 ones, 1 5, 20, and 50, 2 tens, and 3 100s and 500s. Give each man $1,500 as follows. 5 ones, 1 5, 20, and 50, 2 tens and 500s, and 4 100s. There are no properties. Instead, they are called inventions. Whenever a woman lands on or passes go, they collect $240, while men only collect $200. Instead of houses and hotels, there are only headquarters. You can build headquarters on complete colored sets as indicated by its price on the card. You can build in between any player's turn. You may only have one headquarters per invention, and you may not sell the headquarters back to the bank. If multiple players want to purchase the final headquarters, then it is auctioned off, starting at $10 and increasing in increments as little as 10. When you trade an invention with another player or sell it back to the bank, and it has a headquarters on it, the building remains where it is. It is okay to split colored sets this way. If you go bankrupt, you are still eliminated from the game. The game ends when all the inventions have been purchased. Then players collect rent from the bank for each invention they have. Then the player with the most cash wins.